Hello Jake, I hope you're doing well. Check out this mock-up I made of Jake's Comedy Club. So I'll explain later what that is, but I heard in one of your previous videos that you want to start a workshop inside of your Patreon, but I think this could be an even better idea if you just make a couple of tweaks to it. You never know, this might even replace your current job and you could become a self-employed comedian or whatever. So let's go. So I first of all have a couple of notes. So first of all, my suggestion is keep the Patreon as it is. It'll be the place for all of the Jake Weddle fans. That's totally fine. But what I suggest is you then take your more educational stuff, like your workshops, and move those to a separate platform, specifically for aspiring comedians or writers or whatever you want to teach. And the reason why I say that is because you can charge extra for educational content. Because right now, if you check out your Patreon, you'll see you got about 250 members. Let's actually refresh. And that's actually a good amount. It's netting you a nice 600 a month. But if we do a bit of quick maths, then that means you have the average member is paying around $3, which would you really want to be selling workshops for $3? Maybe not. Why should you trust me? So first of all, let me open up my Notion again. I mean, you don't have to trust me, honestly. I could just be a scammer, I don't know. But I do have a bit of experience with YouTube myself, so I understand just how unreliable YouTube AdSense can be when it comes to making a full-time income from it. So if you can make this workshop thing turn into a lucrative venture, then you can actually get a bit of job security. So let's see. I suggest you make Jake's Comedy Club. Okay, this will be the place for people who want to become better at comedy or become better writers. Look at the numbers. So I don't know what the average or a survival income is in your current area, but I said 40,000 US dollars. So if you do the maths, that's about 3,500 per month. Based off of this, we can calculate how many people you'd have to educate to make a full-time income. The idea with Jake's Comedy Club is that it's a monthly membership. So people will pay a flat fee every month to stay inside of the comedy club, get access to the community, the workshops, and some other educational resources. Let's look at how many members you'd need for this thing to become full-time. So I've come up with 4 different price points because I don't think comedians have much money to spend, so there's no point selling some $1,000 course for a freaking comedian school. So I've decided for these more affordable ones. So $20 a month. To get $20 a month into full-time, you'd only need about 175 members. And if you look at your Patreon, you have about 250 members already. So getting 175 shouldn't be too difficult. I'm sure you could get there after a couple of months. You could also go slightly higher and aim for $30 per month. That would get you only 116 members to go full-time. $60 a month, which is a bit on the higher side, you'd only need about 58 members. But if you charge 100, which in my opinion is maybe a bit too expensive for your audience, then you'd only need about 35 members, which isn't much. So the truth, like I said earlier, I don't think comedy people want to spend crazy money. So I think these $20 or $30 per month would be a much better option for you specifically. So what can you include in your group? Like I said before, I want you to start a school group instead of a Patreon. Now, the reason why you choose school is because it's basically the same model as Patreon, but the difference is that it has a lot more educational features. Like, for example, you can see the classroom and the calendar and this kind of stuff. That makes it much better for teaching people and using it as a teaching platform, unlike with Patreon. And another benefit is that you only pay a flat fee of $99 per month. So unlike with Patreon, where they take like an 8% cut, school only takes $99, and then there's like a tiny payment processor fee that gets applied every time someone pays for a membership. But still, overall, you still come out much further ahead compared to with Patreon. Now, unfortunately, a lot of guys here are just grifters, but there are some legitimate people. Like over here, we have Samuel Earp, who sells a art school where he teaches people how to become better at their artwork. Okay, so it's not all grifters, and it is actually a legitimate platform where you can teach people skills. Okay, so now let's do a bit of a tour of the mock-up I said I was going to show you earlier. So we got a community section, a classroom section, calendar section, and then also a leaderboard. So let's open this up. So here we're in the About page, which is what someone who hasn't paid yet will see. You can add your own images to show basically what you're selling. You can show testimonials of how people have improved their comedy skills. You can show what's inside the course so people know what to expect when they pay for the membership and all that kind of stuff. So here I just have a random screenshot just to say you've worked with some high-level clients. So this is from your website, cool stuff. Then there's also, you can add a description just to say what people can expect inside of the thing. Of course, this should be your name instead, but it's just a mock-up. Then let's check out the community. So we click on here. So it's almost like the Patreon posts section, but the difference is here, all of the members themselves can also contribute in this section. So imagine having a community of like-minded comedians who can all interact with each other and give feedback on each other's jokes and ask for advice and all that kind of stuff. To me, that sounds like a really, really cool selling point. Just being able to find other comedians. And maybe you can even ask, hey, let's go meet up at Toronto for the open mic or whatever. And there people can make friends even, which sounds like an amazing idea. So you can even make custom tabs custom filters for each bit of the community. So for example, we have Rate My Comedy, where someone will post their comedy sketch or their, open mic or whatever, and people can give feedback on why certain jokes didn't land, or they can say which jokes are their favorite and all that kind of stuff, which helps people to get better. You also have a general section where people can just post whatever they want. You can also have announcements. So let's say going somewhere and you're hosting a meetup, then these members will be the first to know if you're hosting a meetup. Then of course a question section. Anytime someone has a question, they can go ask it over there. So now we have the classroom section. So here is where you can host your own courses. So depending on what you want, you can either have these courses be free as part of the membership, or you can charge extra for a course. If so, you want to put in a lot more effort into it and then charge maybe $100 for it, and it's like a very deep comprehensive course with like maybe 50 lessons or whatever. It's all up to you really. So I have two example courses that you can put inside of here. So first one is Beginner's Guide to Stand-Up Comedy. So here you teach everyone what makes jokes funny, how to write your first jokes, how to learn from other comedians to find out what style you like to have. Maybe you want to be the chill person or the very animated person. Maybe you could even talk about how to get jobs. Then in here you can actually make separate chapters and all that stuff. You can go here with this thing and then you can type in whatever you want. You can even add links to anything you want to link to, whether it's videos or Google Drive links or whatever. Then here we also have become a funny writer, because you said you've been a writer for a while now. You've gotten lots of paid clients from this. So you can teach people how to become a writer, the basics of writing, how to run through different drafts, how to finalize a draft, how to find clients and get a career, etc., etc. Then the next place we have is the calendar. So let me just click on the calendar. So as an example, I have 3 types of things that you could put here. So first of all is the Q&A. So you'll hop on a Zoom call or whatever, and people can come in and ask you questions, whether they need advice or feedback or career advice or whatever they want to ask. Then you can be here 1 hour, 2 hours, whatever you need. And people can come here every week and ask questions. Next is the workshop. So you said you wanted to host workshops. So here is where you could host them. So every week or maybe every 2 weeks or once a month, you could host a workshop for the members inside of this community, and they can learn a valuable skill. So you can either make it a comprehensive workshop where they learn a bunch of stuff. Maybe it's like a 3 or 4 hour workshop, or you could have it be just a small section of what they could learn just for like an hour. Then you could take all of these maybe 1 hour recordings and put them into into the classroom section as recordings. That's an idea. Then we also have what I call the comedy breakdowns. So you could look at your favorite open mic sets, or you could look at other comedians' sets, and then you can break them down, find out what was funny or what wasn't funny, and explain why that's the case. Like maybe the audience just wasn't right, maybe they had to read the room or whatever. And you can have that maybe every week or something, or maybe every 2 weeks. And that will also be a bonus feature for comedians. Or you could even rate your own members' open mic sets and then give them feedback live. So what do I want from you? So I don't want any money. Instead, I'd like to spend a month just helping you to set this up if you want to get it working, and then hopefully start making some money. Also, even if I wanted to charge you, you don't seem like you have a lot of money. You will work for free. I want to just help you set everything up. Now, of course, to get members into this group, you will have to promote it. So maybe once a month or twice a month, you make a comedy related video, and then in the link in the description, you can put in the link to this community so people can sign up. Same thing for your TikTok as well. Maybe once in a while, you just mention how you're teaching people, make an announcement, and that's how you get members in. And if this all works out, the only thing I want from you is a testimonial. Just say if you're happy to have worked with me. So good luck with your career, and maybe I'll see you next time.